In this question, two statements are given, and in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1: Bt toxins are insect group specific and coded by the gene Cry1AC. Now, this is true. Bt toxins are specific to particular groups of insects, for example, Lepidoptera, then Diptera, Coleoptera, and the gene Cry1AC is one of the cry genes encoding for proteins which is toxic to specific insects, for example, Lepidopteran pests. Statement 2: Bt toxins exist as inactive prototoxin in Bacillus thuringiensis. However, after ingestion by the insect, the inactive protoxin gets converted into active form due to the acidic pH of the insect gut. Now, this is not true. Now, Bt toxin is synthesized as an inactive protoxin in the bacteria, and upon ingestion by the insects, the alkaline conditions and not acidic in the gut activate the toxin by cleaving it, and this active toxin binds to specific receptors in the lining of the gut, causing cell lysis and eventual death of the insect. So, both statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is not.